Hello, I'm Yunus Emre Çoğurcu. I am an assistant professor at Çukurova University, currently a visiting researcher at NTNU, UVic, working with Associate Professor Yorios Batulas. This video summarizes my ENFIELD exchange project on safety and security of LLM-generated robot code. Large language models are starting to write control code for industrial robots. For a collaborative arm like the UR5E, a single bed line of UR script can disable safety limits or speed the robot up next to a human worker. Our question: can today's open source code LLMs write UR script that is safe and secure? We tested these formally pre-registered hypotheses, fixed thresholds simulation only. We built an adversarial testing framework around 3 open source code models: QN 2.5 Coder, DeepSeek Coder, and Code Llama, all running locally at temperature 0. Each model writes UR script for 15 industrial tasks: pick and place, welding, palletizing. Every output goes through a validity gate and a static watchdog, 7 safety rules and 7 security rules. 3 experiments, baseline, adversarial, and watchdog in the loop, gives 924 fully logged generations pre-registered on OSF. First result: these models are unsafe by default. With plain helpful prompts, no attack at all. 60.7% of baseline generation contained at least one safety or security violation, and among outputs that pass the validity gate, almost 99% violates at least one rule. Safety-oriented prompting does not reliably help, and explanatory spot check on 4 much larger open models showed the same failure pattern. Second result: prompt injection attacks could not make things measurably worse. Across 7 attacks variants and 56 pre-registered statistical cells, we found no significant uplifts anywhere. But this is not robustness, it's saturation. When 98.8% of valid outputs already violate a rule, there is simply no room left to measure and increase. We report this transparently as a ceiling defect rather than claiming the models resist attack. Third result: feeding the watchdog's findings back to the model help partially. With up to 3 repair attempts, Code Llama's violation rate halves and DeepSeek's drops by 84%, both statistically significant. QN stays pinned at 100%. And there is a catch. Part of the drop comes from models escaping into invalid pseudocode. DeepSeek's valid output rate collapsed from the 44 to 4%. Detection works, automated repairs is not solved. 3 takeaways. 1. Open source code LLMs are not safe for unsupervised robot programming today. No adversarial required. 2. Rule-based detection is necessary but not sufficient. Safe automated repair remains open research. 3. Everything is open and reproducible. Code pre-registration and all logs are public, and the whole study replays at 0 API cost on local hardware. There is a hidden paper to IEEE access this month. Thank you for watching and listening to me, and thanks to ENFIELD and NTNU supporting this exchange. You can find my details using this QR code. Thank you.